Hello and welcome. This is chart of JPM and the market maker levels after the earnings is going to be announced. Algos will get activated and they're going to reach these levels. Now this is a little interesting chart on the bottom side. We're looking at this block 113 105 on the top side 143 150 160 172 172 looks to be an extreme case scenario, so let's mark them all. So you need to, if you have been following the structures, once the panic happens they will accumulate and it will shuffle, create a bottom cup and handle scenario and take off, or it will get super excited based on the earning in a couple of months, go here and then take off from this level. So this is what is going on, and how will it reach there, how much time it will reach there, those things we are not discussing right now at this moment. uh, Regarding the cycles, monthly, weekly and daily. So this monthly, as you can see, if you go back in time, monthly went up, took off the market. Monthly went down, market came down. Monthly is going up, market is going up. So monthly came down, it came down, right? So looking at this larger trends, and then the next lower one is the weekly. When the monthly is going up, all the pullbacks on daily and weekly is where we want to be at. So see, this touches long, long, long. These are all longs, because the majority of the trend is going there. So when the daily pulls back nicely right here towards the direction of larger trends, entries. This is also cup and handle kind of scenario if you want to say that, but ultimately we have better options. Right here, daily is pulled back, daily is pulled back. Now this is tipping over and daily gave you a good entry right there, right? Same thing when monthly is moving down, daily pullbacks rally. When the monthly is going down, sell or rallies. Sell, 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 sell. And then it's tipping over, then sell, sell. That keeps selling. Out of 7, 8 trades within half a year, when the markets are tipping over, now we start doing things on the other side. Market is moving on the long side, on the monthly, start buying, buy, add more. Now, how do you tactically trade? Depends on implied volatility. You can create lots of deals. You can create premium deals. You can create a bias deal, ratio trades. Someday we will discuss all those. But right now you got the idea, right? So right now, what is going on? Monthly is ready. Monthly is ready in maybe a couple of months to tip down. If it right, so it's not going to happen. It may happen this quarter. So given all that, now this weekly is ready to push up. If you look at the weekly, this guy, second slower. When was it here before? Somewhere here. Right. So weekly only makes sense. It really does a good job if again going in the direction of monthly. Monthly is started to move down, weekly is ready to go down, right? And then the daily is going on the overbought. So these are the areas to tip backwards. Now monthly is moving forward. Our main intention, the bias should be to go long. Either you can go long on the daily pullbacks or a weekly pullbacks is right here. right? These vertical lines are, sorry, horizontal white dotted lines are there or what oversold. So it looks like RSI. It has a lot more sophisticated mathematical models behind it. It is using Tesla energy actually, but we'll discuss that some other day. All right, so you got the idea. Uh, so given all this scenario, you have to be cautious about monthly or daily is right here. It can come down a little bit like this, take off like this. Monthly, if the news is bad, it may just go down like this, right? So we don't know. So what we need to do is especially on the news, right? Once the trend is established, trend right now is still up, but it's getting oversold from here to now getting towards the overbought. And you can see here, if you look at this location, see here and see the location here, it still went up a couple of months, almost one quarter, April, May, June, July, right? And it went up. That's what I'm making a cautious remarks here. Then this can still go back to retest this while this is still tipping over. And then eventually it'll tip over. So this is the reason we give these levels. Do not trade in the middle of it. Now if you want to take some small noise, you can go to hourly and do the same analysis. But that's not the point, right? So we wanted to add some education and the bias and the cycles and the direction and the pullbacks and the targets all at once. So hope this makes sense. And these are the targets. Thank you.